Aloha guys, and welcome back to my channel. As promised, I know it's been a while, but I'm going to be sharing with you my favorite lip products to wear. And instead of just doing like a fall edition or my favorites, I'm going to take you through like summer, spring, fall to winter. So there's going to be a wide variety of things I'm going to be showing you today, from lip gloss to lipstick, and yeah, hopefully there's something that you'll love. So if you want to see what lip colors I'm loving, then just keep watching. Okay, so the first one, if you watched my previous video, you will see this lip color that I have on my lips right now, and it is by Maybelline. And this is not sponsored, but most of the lipsticks you're gonna see are drugstore, and they're Maybelline. Maybelline makes the best lipstick. So this is in Baddest beige, and it is so beautiful and so, it just feels so luxurious. And so this is that color, and it feels so good on your lips, and it wears really nice. So that is the first one, and I'm not doing this in any particular order. I'm just showing you the lip colors that I'm loving, and hopefully you'll find something that you'll love too. Another one that I wear all the time is, oh, this one's by Loreal, and I know I've done a video on this one, and this is the color 900, and it's also more of a nude. So I'll put that right here, and it's just such an easy color to wear, and you can just wear it by itself. You don't even have to wear a lip liner, which you know I love, but that's one that let me scoot you in, that I usually don't wear a lip liner with. So I'll keep with the nudes. Another one that I absolutely love is the KKW, and this is the one nude, and I'm gonna swatch that for you right here, and you'll see all these have like different tones of pink, and you can bet like most of them I'm wearing a lip liner with. And I will show you some of my favorite lip liners that I wear as well. Let me show you a new discovery. Now this is by Artist Couture, and it's so beautiful. And I got this one at Sephora, and I believe it was a collab, and I don't even know who this person is, but the reason why I got it is because it's such a beautiful lip gloss, and it's called Sugar Baby. That's the color, and it is so pretty. The only thing that I don't like, and it's right there, such a pretty lip gloss. I absolutely love it. It wears really nicely. You can wear it by itself, and then you can also wear it on top of one of these colors. I'll put it on top of the KKW. It's got a weird flavor or taste, and you don't yeah, and it's, ooh, that makes that look so pretty. Okay, so I put it on top of the KKW. Look at how pretty that makes that lipstick. So pretty. So yeah, it just feels like when it gets in your mouth a little bit, it like leaves kind of a bad taste in your mouth. So chew some gum or something. So, but I really love that lip gloss. So another lip gloss that I absolutely love, and of course I'm into pinky nudes. This is the Fenty Beauty, and it is the Gloss Bomb in Fussy. And this is so pretty. This doesn't have any weird taste at all, so maybe this might be a good option for you. The only thing, it's more, it doesn't have as much like, see how this one's like really glossy and got some crystals in it. This one's not. It's more, it is glossy, but it's more just like a pink glossy. So that's a really good one. Something that I just wear on the daily without anything. I just wear them throughout the day, which I absolutely love. These are like my favorite. So these are the Dior Lip Maximizers, and I have two of them. I have the nude and then the peach. If I could afford to buy more, I absolutely would. I'm just gonna put them right here on my wrist. They don't have a lot of color, but I just love the way they make my lips feel, and they make them feel plumped and rejuvenated, and it has a little bit of a cooling sensation, not a ton. So there you go right there, the nude and then the peach, and they just make your lips feel so luxurious. I absolutely love those. If I could pick anything to wear for the rest of my life, it would be those. Okay, so let's get back to the lipsticks. So okay, you guys know I love the Kylie Jenner lipsticks. I did recently, or maybe about a month ago, pick up two new lipsticks. One is in the color Miami, and this is a great like fall color right here. And I'm gonna swatch that for you so you can see that. Wow, isn't that pretty? That is such a pretty color, and her formula, they're so good. If you have not tried a Kylie lipstick, you have to. And then this is in the color Passion right here. And this is a darker pink, of course. This is so love. This like a pinkish purple. So good. It is so good. And with these, honestly, you don't even have to wear a lip liner, which I wear a lip liner because I think it makes my lips look fuller, plumper. I just love it. I think it just makes my lips look better. So I use a lip liner. All right, so you guys know that I wear her color Nova. Let me get it for you. Okay, here I had to show you her Nova because Nova it's my jam. So let me just show you Nova right here. I think I would cry without Nova. This is Nova right here. So pretty. It goes over beautiful over so many lipsticks or by itself. With this one with the lip liner, because it's that kind of like pinky nude. So I love that, and actually that would go good with the new Maybelline, this lip liner in Nude Whisper. That's that one right there. That would go beautiful with that. These are so good, and they're very creamy, so just be careful because you could possibly break them. But super creamy and beautiful. Here's another Maybelline. It's a matte lipstick, and it's in Toasted Truffle. So now we're getting into the winter. So this one's so pretty. Look at that. It looks like a bruise, but it is so pretty. And these are not drying on your lips, even though they're matte. They're still very nice. Your lips still feel moisturized, and they wear super nice. So when I say they wear super nice, as they're wearing off, you don't have that butthole look. I hate to describe it as that, but just that where it just comes off in the center where it looks really gross. It's my pet peeve. Okay, so let me show you one more. So this is another Maybelline lipstick. It's in 370, and it's in, I can't read the name of it, guys. It's in Spice for Me. Now this lipstick it's not the matte one. It's very moisturizing, and this is like pumpkin spice. if I could describe what pumpkin spice is, this is what I would say pumpkin spice is. So it's that one right there. So pretty, very moisturizing. It's so weird when I wear that one. I always feel like I have to be careful because I'm used to wearing matte lipsticks, but it's not going to go anywhere. All right, so we're still going, and I think I may need another hand, but this one is my Dose of Colors lipstick in Aftermath. This is the perfect fall lipstick. That looks like another bruise, right? But so pretty. Does that look like that one? Almost looks like, whoa, but not quite as dark as that one. I get a lot of compliments on this one, the Dose of Colors Aftermath. Okay, and then this one, I know a lot of people are over the trend of the the liquid matte lipsticks, but I'm not. And this is the color Fighter 75. So pretty. Okay, this color I would say is so fall too. So that's, wow, great swatch, Jennifer. But that's that one right there. So pretty. So pretty. I better take that off before I'll be able to take it off. Okay. All right, guys. So I have a few more and I'm almost done. Okay. So these last three, they're all the new Maybelline Superstay Ink crayons, and these are my new loves. I love them all. I want to wear them all at the same time. I don't, but they're just gorgeous. So the first one is Lead the Way, and I'm gonna do that right here. Look at that, so pretty. They stay on really nice. They wear, these do not move. They do not move. They're easy to put on. And I've worn these all day, and after I've ate and drank a couple times, I might have to like touch up a little bit, but these babies are not gonna move. So this next color is in Enjoy the View. So pretty. So it's looking a little bit different, but it's more of a pumpkin-y color. Hopefully you can see that. Pumpkin-y brown. And the last one is in Accept a Dare. And this is the first one that I had picked up. And it's so gorgeous. So it's that one right there. So pretty. All right, guys, those are my lip colors, all my lipsticks, lip glosses that I'm loving right now. Most of them are, I would say 90% of them are drugstore. So you cannot go wrong with going to the drugstore, especially if you're picking out a Maybelline lipstick, lip color, lip gloss, lip something. So anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, leave them down below. Otherwise, I will catch you in my next video. Bye, guys.